Welcome to our channel. Are you a carpenter running your own business and struggling to keep track of your income, expense and taxes? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll break down bookkeeping and accounting for carpenters, keeping it simple and practical so you can focus on what you do best, crafting amazing woodwork. Carpenters are skilled craftsmen who construct, set up and repair fixtures and buildings made from wood and other materials. Apart from working on construction sites, they also design frameworks and install cabinets. Keeping accurate records is crucial as it helps carpenters manage client invoices and payments smoothly, plan for upcoming projects and comply with tax regulations. It provides valuable financial insights about the business, allowing carpenters to make informed decisions, use resources effectively, and ensure profitability and growth. Here are some tips for accounting and bookkeeping for carpenters. So the first one is keep detailed record of income from custom jobs and specialty work to understand profitability and pricing strategies. Second point is stay on top of payments to suppliers for woods, tools and other materials to maintain good relationship and avoid late fees. Third point is regularly track workshop repair costs to prevent unexpected expenses and keep equipment in top condition. Fourth point is budget for skill upgrades and certifications to stay competitive and ensure compliance with industry standards. Fifth point is separate income from urgent repair jobs to analyze demand and adjust pricing accordingly. Sixth point is track insurance cost to ensure adequate coverage while keeping expenses under control. Seventh point is maintain a record of materials and finished products to avoid shortage and reduce waste. And the last point is track spending on protective gear and compliance to meet safety regulations without overspending. Now let's talk about a few key performance indicators that are crucial for carpenters. So the first one is project completion rate. This metric shows how many projects are finished on time and without budget. So the first point is project completion rate. This metric shows how many projects are finished on time and within budget, reflecting efficient project management and client satisfaction. A high completion rate means better planning and execution, while delays may indicate areas for improvement. Second point is labor utilization rate, tracks how efficiently labor is used by measuring the ratio of productive work hours to total work hours available. A higher rate means better workforce allocation, while a low rate signals idle time or inefficient that needs to be addressed. Third point is material waste percentage, measures how accurately materials are ordered and how well costs are controlled. A lower waste percentage means better planning and efficient use of resources, reducing unnecessary expenses. The next point is customer acquisition cost, tracks how much is spent on marketing and advertising per new client acquired. Keeping this cost low ensures marketing efforts are cost effective and bring in profitable business. Next point is average project value, helps in pricing strategies by showing the typical revenue earned from each carpentry job. A higher average value suggests premium services or well optimized pricing. Next point is job costing accuracy, compares estimated project cost to actual expenses to assess budgeting effectiveness. The closer the estimate is to the reality, the better the project planning and cost control. Now let's talk about how to handle bookkeeping for carpenters. So the first point is job tracking and completion monitoring. Use job tracking systems to monitor project status, identify delays or leads, and keep everything on schedule and within the budget. Staying organized helps prevent costly overruns. Second point is payroll processing and tax withholding management. Ensure accurate payroll processing by managing tax withholdings properly. This keeps your team paid on time and ensures compliance with payroll laws, avoiding penalties. Third point is material inventory management and cost control. Keep a close eye on inventory levels to avoid material shortage or excess stock. Make smart purchasing decisions based on project needs and focus on reducing waste to control the cost. Fourth point is marketing and sales effectiveness analysis. Regularly review marketing and sales data to find areas for improvement in client acquisition. Track lead generation efforts to see what's working and adjust the strategy accordingly. Fifth point is project management software integration. Improve efficiency by integrating accounting software with project management tools. This keeps everything in sync, helps track progress and streamlines the operations. Sixth point is client management and invoicing. Stay on top of client information, invoicing and overdue payments to ensure steady cash flow. Send invoices promptly and follow up on unpaid balances to avoid cash shortages. Seventh point is create and execute safety procedures. Work closely with your team to establish clear safety procedures and conduct regular safety training sessions. This helps minimize the risk of accidents on site and ensures everyone knows the proper protocols. Eighth point is client portal for project communication and transparency. Set up a client portal where you can easily share project details, invoices and timelines with clients. This promotes clear communication and enhances transparency, building trust throughout the project. And the last point is industry benchmarking and cost analysis. Regularly compare your service prices and cost estimates with industry standards to ensure you are staying competitive. Benchmarking helps you identify areas for improvement and optimize your pricing strategies. Now I am going to share some inspiring case studies that highlights how strategic solutions can transform a disorganized situation into a profitable one. So let's take a look at a real life example of how proper accounting and project management can transform a business. A carpenter struggled with staying within project budgets and timelines, leading to reduced revenue. This was the problem. So Miro Accounting stepped in, offering precise cost estimate and introducing task tracking software to avoid delays and ensure projects stayed on track. And as a result, 90% of his projects were completed on time and under budget. This improvement in project management led to a significant increase in profitability. Here is another one. A carpentry firm faced excessive material waste due to poor inventory management and ordering practices. As a solution, Miro Accounting stepped in to assess project needs and implemented an efficient material inventory management system, ensuring smarter purchasing decisions. And as a result, this change led to 15% reduction in material wastage. With better inventory control, the business saved money and improved project efficiency. And here is our last case study. A carpentry firm struggled with late invoice payments and lacked an inefficient system for client communication. As a result, here is our last case study. A carpentry firm struggled with late invoice payments and lacked an efficient system for client communication. Miro Accounting helped by establishing clear invoicing procedures and creating a client portal for smooth project updates and communication. And as a result, with these improvements, they reduced invoice collection time by 20% and strengthened client relationships. This led to better cash flow and more efficient client interactions. These case studies demonstrate how Miro Accounting goes beyond just basic bookkeeping for carpenters. By integrating job tracking software and offering precise project costing, Meru helped carpenters boost project completion rates and increase profitability. They also strengthened client relationships and improved cash flow by setting up a client portal and creating effective invoicing procedures. Ultimately, Meru Accounting uses its deep accounting expertise to empower carpenters with efficient project management, streamlined customers' relation, and on-time payments, setting them up for long-term success. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with fellow carpenters who could benefit. If you have any question or want to learn more about efficient bookkeeping and business management, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep building and growing your business.